Replacing the battery in your Nissan key fob is easy. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and optionally electrical tape. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and optionally electrical tape. First, press the buttons on your fob to drain any residual charge. Then, use the pry tool to gently open the fob along the seam. Be careful, the plastic can be brittle. Locate the coin cell holder. Pop out the old battery with the positive side up. Insert the new battery, making sure the positive side faces out. Snap the fob back together securely. Test to confirm functionality. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion or reorient the battery. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches or static electricity discharge. Always use a plastic pry tool, not metal, to avoid short circuits and damage. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented with the positive side up. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, clean the contacts with a soft cloth. Battery life averages 1 to 3 years, but frequent remote start use drains it faster. DIY battery replacement saves you money compared to dealership fees. Look out for future key fobs using rechargeable or energy harvesting technologies, potentially eliminating battery replacements altogether. For now, choose eco-friendly, mercury-free CR2032 batteries.